Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to save Google Forms after creating them. While Google Forms automatically saves your work as you go, there are specific methods to ensure your form is properly saved and backed up. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want your form stored, as this determines where everything will be saved. After logging in, click on Blank Form to start creating a new Google form from scratch. This opens up a fresh canvas where you can begin building your questions and customizing your form. You'll notice the interface is clean and straightforward, making it easy to add various question types. Next, click the drop-down menu that shows question types and select Short Answer. This format is perfect for questions that require brief responses, like names or simple facts. It's one of the most commonly used question types in Google Forms. Now click on Untitled Question and type in your question. For example, you might type, "Who was the first president of the United States?" This replaces the placeholder text with your actual question, and you'll see it update in real time on your form. Here's something important to understand. There isn't a traditional save button in Google Forms because the platform automatically saves your work every few seconds. You'll notice a small indicator that says all changes saved in Drive at the top of your form, confirming that everything is being stored continuously. However, if you want to manually ensure your form is saved through an alternative method, there's a way to do that. Look to the upper right corner and click the Publish button. This action not only saves your form but also prepares it for distribution. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're ready to publish your form. Go ahead and click Publish to proceed. After clicking Publish, you'll see another prompt. Click the Publish button once more, and then you'll notice a Save option appears. Click Save to finalize this process. This method essentially forces a save action while also making your form ready to share. There's also another helpful way to save and create a backup of your form. Click the three dotted lines in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Make a Copy. This opens a dialog box where you can enter a name for your copy. Type in whatever name you'd like, then click Copy. This action will immediately save a duplicate of your form directly to your Google Drive, giving you a backup version that you can access anytime. So while Google Forms handles most of the saving automatically, these methods give you additional control and peace of mind that your work is safely stored. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.